One of the important jobs for me to tackle on this Charade is this rust on the leading edge of the roof. It's not too bad, but you couldn't really work on it with the rubber in place. Because I want to respray this car eventually as well, I'm going to take out the screen. That's a new challenge for me because I've never done one that was bonded into place before. I've only ever done the ones that use a full rubber seal all the way around. My friends at Mick's Garage have supplied me with this useful glass removal tool, which has an angled cutting blade which is able to hook in behind the glass and cut through the sealant, and there's a useful handle to pull it along. So we'll give that a go. This is one of the jobs I didn't know how I was going to do it, so I had to do a little bit of research online beforehand, because I've only experienced the older type of windscreen fitment. They haven't seen much action in a while. So there are these little poppets holding these plastic covers in place. Push them in a little bit and then they release. It's good to be getting in underneath there and giving this stuff a clean up. That's revealed a bit of a mess of leaves and stuff, but it looks like a very good conditioned scuttle panel. I may put a little bit of a treatment on it to preserve the car into the future, but wow, that survived the last 25 years very well. I think these are just strips that are glued on. Doesn't seem to be any option other than to try and work it out. Just leverage. Great. Okay, not too bad. Top one now. That's a relief. Right, let's see how it goes with this tool. A warmer day might be better for this. That is moving a bit, but it's taken some serious strength. It's a very cold day today. There's actually been some hailstones, so I'm thinking I might put a heater inside the car for about 20 minutes. Just a little electric one, and see if that heat behind the glass might make this a little bit easier. Well, it's nice and hot in there now. We'll see if it's made any difference to this. It's made a huge difference. That's brilliant. Oh well. I suppose that was going a bit too well. The glass still has to come out. I wonder if we're going to be able to find a windscreen for a Daihatsu Charade. Ah well, it's always a bit hit and miss as to whether you get a windscreen out, and I'm just going to have to put this one down to experience. We'll still have to go because there's no way I'd been able to look after this properly without removing the glass and the spray job, so we're just going to have to find ourselves a new one. And after what's happened on the other side, I think I'll come up the ways from the end here. At least this is experience for the next time. Okay, I'm after getting another crack in the top of this. I'm going to have to admit defeat with it before I hurt myself, really. The amount of force it's taking to pull this through. The fact is that this is a 25-year-old car. It may have had a windscreen replaced before, so we don't know whether this is the correct type of sealant that I'm trying to cut through. I think it's actually testament to how good this tool is that it hasn't broken yet. With the amount of force that I've had to use to try and get it to separate the glass from the bodywork. So I'll be very interested to see how a professional gets on with this screen.